Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students interested in Ruby programming and web application development, tuning in. Learning Ruby step by step helps you build clean, productive, and reliable software with confidence. Here's something helpful for you: Ruby programming skillset learning for students from Youthbuddy. Ruby is a high-level, interpreted, and object-oriented programming language known for its simple syntax, readability, and focus on developer productivity. It is widely used for web development through Ruby on Rails, while also supporting scripting, automation, and general-purpose software development. Begin by installing Ruby, learning to use interactive Ruby, or IRB, writing simple scripts, and understanding the basic structure of Ruby programs. Practice working with variables, constants, data types, operators, user input and output, because these concepts form the foundation of every Ruby application. As your confidence grows, explore conditional statements, loops, and methods so you can control program flow and create reusable code. Understand how if, else, unless, and case statements work while using for, while, until, and each loops to solve programming problems efficiently. Build practical applications using arrays, hashes, strings, iterators, and the enumerable module to organize, process, and transform data effectively. Learn common collection methods such as map, select, reject, and reduce because they simplify data handling and improve code readability. Next, develop strong object-oriented programming skills by creating classes, objects, modules, and mixins while understanding inheritance and polymorphism. Explore concepts such as encapsulation, abstraction, method overriding, self, super, and variable scope to design flexible and maintainable applications. Once you are comfortable with the fundamentals, begin learning blocks, procs, lambdas, exception handling, and the basics of Ruby metaprogramming. Understand how closures and dynamic methods improve code flexibility while using begin, rescue, and ensure blocks to handle errors gracefully. Become familiar with Ruby gems, bundler, and Ruby's standard libraries, including file, JSON, date, and net-HTTP, to manage projects efficiently. Advance to Ruby on Rails by understanding the model view controller architecture, routing, controllers, views, active record, database integration, and RESTful application design. Practice building complete web applications, deploy your projects, and gain practical experience by solving real-world development challenges. Strengthen your testing and debugging skills by learning our spec, mini-test, test-driven development, debugging tools, and clean coding practices. Throughout your learning journey, continue improving your problem-solving skills, logical thinking, and ability to write readable, maintainable, and efficient Ruby code. Mastering Ruby prepares you for careers in web development, back-end engineering, software automation, and modern application development. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the education section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.